like the CTR9 specifically, that is really fast. That saved us a lot of time. It almost cut the time in half compared to before, just because of the cleanup time on your welds, on conventionally welding it and then cleaning up, Bondo, all the seam seal after that. It saved a ton of time on that, and then it looks like it's factory when we're done. So the Evo system's really nice, especially when you're changing inner structure on the front side of the car. You can mount it. It's almost like a jig, if you will. Hold it into place. You can bolt it down tightly, so as you're welding it on, you have no movement as the heat and shrink goes. It's really nice. It takes a little bit to get used to how to set it up properly, but you know, you do it once or twice, it's pretty simple after that. And then having the wall set up here, you know when something's missing. It's nice. So I know if these guys don't have these bolts on the actual clamps, then I know there's a problem. Hey, they're gone somewhere. Somebody needs to find them, hold somebody accountable for it. So it's really nice to have this wall because you can easily look at everything. Everything's numbered. Makes it real easy to find everything and source what you're looking for really fast.